Let me introduce myself. My name is Eri Kurniawan. Name 202111643. Class P2 Management. Here I will explain about the capital market. Capital market is a place where different financial instruments are traded between different entities. On one side, there are entities that have abundant capital, much more than they require, and on the other side, there are entities who need capital for various purposes. Capital markets are used to sell equities, stocks, chips, securities. Capital markets tips. Capital markets are mainly divided into two different types. One, primary market. Two, secondary market. Capital market example. The example of capital market are given below. 1. Stock market. 2. Bond market. 3. Currency and forex exchange market. Which are the most common capital market? Stock market and bond market are considered as the most common capital market. Which you we need the capital market? Capital market is a hook in the wheel of the modern company since capital markets move money from the entities that have money to the entities that require money for productive use. Capital market feature. In capital market there are two entities, one who supplies capital and the other entity is the one who needs capital. Usually entities with surplus capital in the capital markets are retail and institutional investor. Entities seeking capital are people, government, and business. Some common examples of supplier of capital are 1. Pension funds. 2. Life insurance companies. 3. Non-financial companies. 4. Charitable foundations. Some common examples of users of capital. 1. People looking to purchase facilities homes. 2. Governments. 3. Non-financial companies. Capital market structure. Capital market structure is made primary and secondary market. Primary market consists of companies that issue securities and investors who purchase such security directly from the issuing company. These securities are called initial public offerings, IPO. Whenever a company goes public, it sells its stock and bonds to large scale institutional investors like hedge funds and mutual funds. Secondary markets are places where the trade of already issued certificates between investors are overseen by regulatory bodies. Issuing companies play no part in the secondary market. Examples of secondary market are New York Stock Exchange (NYSE), London Stock Exchange (LSE), Bombay Stock Exchange (BSE). Capital markets function. 1. Capital markets bring together those requiring capital and those having excess capital. 2. Capital markets aim to achieve better efficiency in transaction. 3. It helps in economic growth. 4. It ensures there is the continuous availability of funds. 5. By ensuring the movement and productive utilization of capital, it helps in boosting the national income. 6. Minimize transaction costs and information costs. 7. Makes trading of securities easier for companies and investors. 8. If offer insurance against market risks. What are the advantages of the capital market? 1. Money moves between people who need capital and who have the capital. 2. There is more efficiency in the transaction. 3. Securities like shares have in earning dividend income. 4. With the passage of time, the growth in value of investment is high. 5. The inference rates provided by securities like bond are higher than interest rates given by bank. 6. Can avail tax benefits by investing in stock markets. 7. Crop for a wide range of investment. 8. Securities of capital market can be used as collateral for getting loans from bank.